Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, July 14th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. Well, yesterday Wall Street moved lower as geopolitical tensions in the Middle East intensified once again. The Dow Jones lost 0.3%, the Standard & Poor's 500 fell 0.8%, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.6%, with technology and artificial intelligence stocks leading the decline. Now, one of the biggest drags came from semiconductor companies after shares of SK Hynix came under pressure, adding fresh concerns about the AI sector following its recent strong run. At the same time, investors kept a close eye on developments between the United States and Iran. Renewed military strikes and rising tensions around the Strait of Hormuz pushed oil prices sharply higher, with Brent crude climbing back above $82 per barrel. Markets are also watching President Trump's latest comments about tougher measures in the region, which added another layer of uncertainty. So naturally, higher energy prices are bringing inflation back into focus. That's especially important because this week investors will receive the latest Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index reports, both of which could influence expectations for Federal Reserve interest rate decisions. And that's not all. Earnings season is about to get into full swing, with major banks including JP Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and several others reporting results. Investors will also be watching Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company Netflix and United Health for more clues about artificial intelligence demand and the overall health of the economy. So, it's shaping up to be one of the busiest weeks of the summer. Alright, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. See you tomorrow morning.